So today we are going to solve a problem which involves genetic crosses. So let's get right into it. So the question is pretty simple. Let us go and delve deep right into it. So chickens, like all birds, have ZZ or ZZ-ZW configuration, sex determination. Now what does ZZ and ZW mean? As in humans, you must be aware of, we are XX are females and XY are males. So we have males heterogamity, meaning males have different sex chromosomes. Now this is kind of very opposite in case of birds. So ZZ here stands for male, whereas ZW here stands for a female. The feathered phenotype in chicken results from a Z-linked allele that is dominant over the allele for non-bar feathers. So we have bar feathers and we have non-bar feathers. So because the bar feathers, are dominant, we are going to represent that as an allele over Z chromosome as Z big B. The non-bar feathers we are going to represent as an allele over the Z chromosome Z small b. Okay, so this is pretty clear, right? Now let's attack the question. The question says, a barred female is crossed with a non-barred male. So let's first write our parents. So this is the beginning of our cross. We'll start with P generation. So a barred female, remember females are heterogamous, and since it's barred, so the allele should be capital B, and W is crossed with non-barred male. Now because non-bar is recessive, both the copies must be Z small b, Z small b, right? They are crossed to produce, and then the F1 would again be crossed. So first let's get the F1. What is F1? The product of the cross of a P generation is F1. So let us first write the male gametes here. So male gametes are ZB, oh, yep, and ZB. Let us write the female gametes now. Female gametes are Z big B and W. Now let us just combine all of them. Z big B, Z small b, Z big B, Z small b, Z small b, W, Z small b, W. So the question wanted us to understand and find out the phenotypes and the proportions in the F1 and F2. So we can clearly find out here that we have the following phenotypes. Remember, male are homogamous and the female is heterogamous here, right? So this is a female, this is a female, both are non-bar, right? This is a male, this is a male, and both of them are bar, have bar feathers, right? And what is the phenotypic ratio here? That is, so bar and non-bar phenotypes here are present in phenotypic ratio 1:1. That's part 1 of the question. This was the F1, the first batch of progeny, right? So the F1 phenotypes are all males are barred, all females are non-bar, and they have the ratio 1:1. Now a cross is supposed to be done in between them, right? So let us go right towards that. So we have Z big B, Z small b. We have Z big B, Z small b. And then we have Z small b, ZW. So we are writing the gametes directly here. So Z big B, Z small b, Z small b, Z small b, Z big B, W, Z small b, W. So what are the phenotypes here? All right. So let's try to find out. So again, remember female heterogamety, right? So this is a female, bar feathers, non-bar feathers. This is a male, bar feathers, non-bar feathers. So again, if you are asked to write about the phenotypes, what are the phenotypic ratios here that you find out? You have 50% bar and 50% non-bar, right? So 50% is bar and 50% is non-bar. So what is the ratio again? 1:1.
We hope this video was helpful. For more biology videos, click on our channel and don't forget to subscribe.